Stefanies galore. Going outside into the cold with under eye patches was a bad idea. My under eyes are now frozen. The sun is out. I'm so excited for that. It was snowing last night, which was kind of bizarre. Today's video is just gonna be a day in my life. I love that I'm working days now because on my off days, I get up early and have a nice early day, and I love the mornings. I'm so happy that I'm off nights. Just let the girls out. We already made the bed. They're already growling at something. Who even knows what it is? Now we're gonna make breakfast. First, we're going to make the whipped coffee. Thank you to everyone that recommended using a frother. I don't know why I didn't think of this when I was making it the first time on Instagram. I totally forgot that I had this. It works a million times better. So if you have a frother and you want to try that whipped coffee, the Dalgona coffee, and try it with a frother or anything that's mechanical. We're gonna make coffee and avocado toast. Breakfast, lemon water, coffee. I'm gonna watch Golden Girls while I eat. Now I have to edit so that I can post a video for today. This is what I'm gonna do until I get it done. The video that I'm editing right now will already be up, so if you haven't seen it, I'll leave it on the screen so that you can watch it. It is now 12:12. What a weird time. So I just posted the video, my tailbone hurts. It is now time to make lunch. I wanted to work out prior to eating, but I'm really hungry right now, so I think I'm just gonna make lunch now. I'm just gonna make a salad. I got this big honkin' thing of salad. I do this garlic herb cheese that I have. For dressing, I made a dressing the other day. It was so good. It's a lemon juice with olive oil, basil, parsley, and garlic salt. It was so good. These are from Aldi's. They're just the meat-free, chickenless patties. So I'm just gonna plop that on top of salad, and that'll probably be it. Keeping it nice and simple. Okay, that is lunch. So we are actually doing a Zoom appointment for my one friend's birthday. This is actually the crew that was supposed to go on Tennessee. Some of them ended up going, but a few of us stayed behind. I'm making a charcuterie board. Well, it's not technically a charcuterie board just because I don't have meat on it because I don't eat meat, but we are just gonna do a makeshift one. So I definitely want some dried mango. Definitely want some chips. These are so good, especially jalapeno cilantro. Oh my gosh, I forgot about these. Coconut strips. I don't think I want those. Do I want some apricots? I think we're gonna do some apricots. And then some of these spicy peanuts. So I have cheese over here. This is just sharp cheddar, and then I have apricot ginger jam. This is definitely not my best cheese board, but I just wanted something to chew on while I talk to everyone. Then I have a glass of Sauvignon Blanc from Barefoot. It doesn't start until 8:30. I really hope that I did this right. Pretty sure you're supposed to download it and then click the link that the host supplies, so fingers crossed. Anyway, those of you who are looking for blue light glasses, these are such a cute option. They're from SOJOS Vision. Just recently I got into blue light glasses because I stare at a screen all day at work and I noticed that I was starting to get headaches, and so I brought a pair with me to wear at work. It definitely helps with headaches. I thought it was kind of a gimmick at first because I'm like, why does that really actually matter? It just helps your eyes so much so that they don't strain while you're looking at a screen. You guys have seen these a million times in my videos. I literally wear them every time I have to edit. This pair, which is actually called She Young, sits on my coffee table. Definitely helps because throughout the entire day we are literally looking at a screen. I actually have a pair that I keep with me in my duty bag. When I used to work nights, I used to get headaches all the time because I was just staring at the screen the entire 8 hours. I just think that these are so freaking cute. They're a gold frame. The other pair is so cute. They're both considered the cat eye style. They were so nice enough to include a discount code for you guys in case you want to try out any of their glasses. They also have sunglasses, which I kind of want to get a pair of those because I need more sunglasses. I feel like all of my sunglasses are just shot. It's just a good way to protect your eyes so that they don't strain while you're looking at a screen all day. So I will leave all of the information in the description box down below. They are pretty decent quality too. They don't feel too cheesy or cheap, which I like because I don't really want chintzy kind of glasses that will just break in a second. I will leave the code in the screen and also in the description box down below, but you can get 15% off of your purchase if you want to try out some blue light glasses. I think that these are so freaking cute. Maybe I should put these on my coffee table.
Stop doing exercises and have a drink, all right?
Jesus Christ, that's a giant glass you have there, Steph. What the hell?
It's a wine glass.
Yeah.
Don't be hating on my exercises.
For exercise. Who's hating on me?
Mike.
Mike is?
Hey? No, I didn't. What did I say?
What did I say?
You say
No, somebody said, yeah, stop with your exercises and. Oh, that was Matt.
Matt doesn't exercise at all.
I just say when in doubt, blame Mike.
Wait, is there audio on yours, Matt?
There ought to be, no?
I don't think he has audio on you. I can't hear them. Can you hear them?
No, I just heard him hit something.
Oh no, they still don't have audio?
I don't think there's audio on
Or that was Tom. Never mind. Moving around his beard.
I can't hear you, Julie. I want to try in the settings in your settings system there. Are you using an iPad or iPhone or a computer?
Oh wait, you should text each other maybe.